I don't know if you already know this, but Elmer's Goo slimes make the best cleaning slimes. I use them all the time to clean my keyboards and just pick up lint in the car, the cup holders. It is the best. You can see how this slime just eats up the glitter. It does the same exact thing when you roll it over your keyboard or your cup holder in the car. It's amazing. You guys, I highly recommend it. Try it out.
Send this to the shortest person you know. Why are you short? Did you not drink enough milk or did your parents forget to water you or something? You should learn how to grow ASAP. Like it's not that hard.
Send this video to your friends, and write under the video haha when they answer with haha. They are fake friends. And when they answer you this, they are real friends and watch your videos.
To be like, get off your devices, you've been on them all day. And what have you been doing, huh? Oh, look at this picture, oh, look at this. I see you on your Facebook. Don't even try to lie. Leave me alone with my devices and go take your face back somewhere else.
If you don't love your parents, keep scrolling. If you do love your parents, like, follow, comment why you love your parents. And tag through friends to see if they love their parents.
Only people that love their parents can pass this test. If you don't love your parents, just keep scrolling. But if you do love your parents, hit the plus sign, like this video, comment why you love them, and share this video with 3 friends. Did you pass the test?
大家好，我是小南，今天给你们做的是自制派大星级豆豆。这个小可爱不停的私信我，就想看给派大星级豆豆，满足你掀起一颗大豆豆。再挤这颗，直接用手挤。已经挤了4颗豆豆，是不是清爽多了？其他豆豆全部给它挤掉。OK， 所有的豆豆已经全部挤出来喽，挤了一大盘。